Welcome to TJ Militaria. Today we're going to talk about the Mills Model 36 hand grenade. What makes this grenade particularly interesting is the fact that it's actually fitted with a gas check plate, which allows the grenade to be fired from a rifle. Basically, the rifle has a special cup that fits onto the top of the muzzle, and then I believe it's a ballistite round is fired, which then launches the grenade out. Prior to putting the grenade inside the cup, the pin is pulled and the cup encloses the fly-off lever on this grenade. Now, this particular grenade comes complete with its internal tube, striker and spring, and is in excellent condition. Of course, the grenade is inert and deactivated. There are a number of markings, particularly on this grenade, of interest. Now, there's a marking on here which is a date, and I believe it's made by TANS, and the date on here is 1918. So it's a real dated hand grenade. As you can see, there's no damage to the thing. There's some slight sort of discoloring over the years. The spring is the spring is intact. It can still be primed. You can pull the pin on here and the lever flies off once you pull it. On the bottom of the grenade, we've got a nice thread which allows the plug to be placed onto the grenade, and all the internal parts of the grenade are there, no particular damage. The bottom of the gas check plate unscrews and allows the grenade to be either used as a rifle version or as a standard hand grenade. Again, there's no damage, and there's some nice markings on the bottom of this particular grenade. The hand grenade was first introduced in 1915 and was invented by a chap called Mills. What was his name? William Mills. It was based in Sunderland, but the grenades were actually made in Birmingham, BSA, where obviously a lot of military supplies, ammunition and munitions were made at this company. These particular hand grenades were designed really as a defensive type of hand grenade, because to be used in the offensive or on an attack, you've always got the issue of the fragmentation causing as much damage to the person throwing the hand grenade as to the the target for which the grenade's actually designed for. Now, obviously these grenades were used in close combat, and were used for throwing down trenches and down shell holes, etc. So a competent thrower, they believe, should throw about 15 meters. But I know in some of the sports battalions in the First World War, who had cricketers, football players, they were throwing these a long way. And these particular grenades, as you can see, are nicely shaped and fit nicely into the palm of the hand. But the rifles that were used to fire these particular grenades, because of the actual build-up of pressure to fire the grenade out of the cup, the barrel, the rifles were becoming damaged. So to alleviate this, the companies or the battalions would have specific rifles that were designated as grenade throwing rifles, and around the front of the muzzle, probably about 8 inches down on the foregrip, they would wrap wire around to really give it a good fit to the barrel, to the wood, so it negated the fact that it would come away when firing. So just like I said, just a very brief overview on the hand grenade. There's plenty of information online, but I just wanted to show you one of the particular models that we've got in stock currently at TJ Militaria. If you're interested, check out my link below. If you would like to subscribe, please just click subscribe on this email. I'm not an expert on YouTube, so I do apologize for any errors or sort of any particular issues that I'm not particularly very good at, and I'm always willing to accept some feedback, especially around the products that we sell. And I look forward to showing you our next video. So once again, thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video.